Hello aspirants, welcome to Aspire classes. In today's class, we are going to write all the factors of numbers from 1 to 100. Let's begin. 1 has only one factor, 2 is a prime number, so all prime numbers have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. 3 is also a prime number, so factors are 1 and 3. 1, 2, 4, 5 is a prime number, 1 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 7. 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 3, 9, 1, 2, 5, 10. 11 is a prime number. So 11 has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. 13 is a prime number, 1 and 13. 1, 2, 7, 14. 1, 3, 5, 15. 1, 16, 2, 8. This is the simple and easiest method to write factors. This method is explained in my previous class. Please do check them. 4, 4. Next 17 is a prime number, 1 and 17. 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6. 19 is a prime number, so it has only two factors, 1 and 19. 1, 20, 2, 10, 4, 5. These are the factors of 20. Next, 1, 21. This 21 is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. So 3, 7. 1, 22, 2, 11. 23 is a prime number. It has only two factors, that is 1 and itself, that is 23. 1, 24. This 24 is divisible by 2. So 2 is a factor and its counterpart is 12. 2 12s are 24. Next 24 is divisible by 3. 3 8s are. These are the factors. And 4 6 are. These are the factors of 24. 1, 25 and 5 5s are. Only 3 factors are there. 1, 26, 2, 13. If right hand side a prime number comes, which means there are no factors between 2 and 13. 1, 27, it is divisible by 3. 3 9s are. 1, 28s are. 2 14s are. It is not divisible by 3, it is divisible by 4. 4 7s are. 29 is a prime number, so 1 and 29. 1, 30, 2 15s are 30. So 2 and 15 are factors. 3 10s are. It is divisible by 5. 5 6. 31 is a prime number. 1 31. 1 32. 32 is divisible by 2. 2 16s are. Also it is divisible by 4. 4 8s are. 1 33. 3 11s are. For 34, 1 34. 2 2 17s are 34. 74 is a prime number, so there won't be any factors between 2 and 17. 1 35, it is divisible by 5. 5 7s are. 1 36. 36 is divisible by 2. If you divide it by 2, you will get 18. So 18 is also a factor. Next, it is divisible by 3. 3 12s. Next, it is also divisible by 4. 4 9s. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6. So 6 6 are 36. We write only one time 6. 37 is a prime number. 1 37. 1 38. It It is divisible by 2. 2 19s are 38. See here, 19 is a prime number. That's why there are no factors between 2 and 19. 1, 39, 3, 30. 1, 40, 2, 20s are 40 is divisible by 4. 4, 10s are 5, 8s are. 41 is a prime number. 1, 41, 42, 1, 42, divisible by 2, 2, 21s are divisible by 3, 3, 14s are, it is also divisible. This 42 is divisible by 2 and 3, so it is divisible by 6, 6, 7s. 43 is a prime number, so factors are 1 and 43 only. 1, 44 divisible by 2, so 2, 22s are 4, 11s. 1, 45, this number is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. 3, 15s are next. Last digit 5 is there, so divisible by 5, 5, 9s are. Next 46, 1, 46, 2, 23. See, 23 is a prime number, so there are no factors between 2 and 23. So only factors of 46 are 1, 2, 23 and 46. 47 is a prime number, 1 and 47. 1, 48, 2, 24. See, this number is divisible by 3. 3, 16s are, it is divisible by 4, 4, 12s are, also it is divisible by 6, 6, 8s are. 49, 1, 49 and 7, 7s are. So we write only one time 7. 1, 50, 2, 25 is a 5, 10s are. Next 1, 51s are, this number is not divisible by 2, this number is divisible by 3. How to find whether the number is divisible by 3 or not? You just add the numbers. 5 plus 1, 6. If the sum is divisible by 3, then the number itself is divisible by 3. So 51, we can divide 51 by 3. So 3 how much? 3, 17s. 17 is a prime number. So we stop it here. 1, 52, 2, 26. It is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 4. 4, 13s. 53 is a prime number. 1, 53. 1, 54, 2, 27. This number is divisible by 3. So 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. Next, see, 2 and 3 are there. So 6 is also a factor of this. 6 nines are. See for 55, 155, 5 and 11. 1, 56, 2, 28 are. This number is not divisible by 3. We can divide it by 4. 4, 14s are. Next, it is divisible by 7. 7 8s are 56. So 7 and 8 are factors also. 57, 1, 57. See, this number is divisible by 3. 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. We got a prime number here, so we'll stop it here. 1, 58, 2, 29. Prime number is there, so there won't be any factors between 2 and 29. 59 is a prime number. 1, 59, 1, 60, 2, 30s are, 3, 20s are, 4, 15s are, 5, 12s are, and 6, 10s are. These are the factors of 60. 61 is a prime number. So it has only two factors, that is 1 and 61. For 62, 1, 62, it is divisible by 2, 2, 31. 31 is a prime number. So we'll stop it here. 1, 63, 3, 21 7, 9 63. 1, 64, 2, 32 64. This number is not divisible by 3, but it is divisible by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24. Next, this number is divisible by 8. 8 8s are 1, 65. This number is divisible by 5. 5 13s are 1, 66. 2, 33. 3, 22. 6 11s are 67 is a prime number, so it has only two factors. Those are 1 and 67. For 68, 1, 68, 2, 34 this number is not divisible by 3, but it is divisible by 4. 4, 17 17 is a prime number, so we'll stop it here. 1, 69, 3, 23. 23 is a prime number, so there won't be any factors. 1, 70, 2, 35, 5, 14 and 7, 10. 71 is a prime number. It has only two factors. Those are 1 and itself. 1, 72, 2, 36. It is divisible by 3. 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. 24, 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. 2 and 3 are factors of 72. So 6 will be also the factor of 72. 6, 12s are and 8, 9s are. 73 is a prime number. 1, 73, 1, 74, 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. 37 is a prime number. So we'll stop here. We don't search any further. 1, 75. It is divisible by 3. 3, 25, 5, 15. 1, 76, 2, 38 are 76, and it is not divisible by 3. We can divide it by 4. 4, 19. 19 is a prime number, so we don't check any numbers in between. 1, 77, 7, 11. 1, 78, 2, 3 are 6, 2 9s are 18. This number is divisible by 3. 3. This number is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 6 are 18. Next, it is divisible by 6 also. 6 1s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 79 is a prime number. So its factors are 1 and 79 only. 1, 80, 2, 40s are. Next, 4, 20s are. This number is divisible by 5. 5, 16s are. Next, 8, 10s are. 81, 1, 81. This number is divisible by 3. So 3, 27s are. Next, it is divisible by 9. 9, 9s are. 82, 1, 82, 2, 41. See, 41 is a prime number. So we don't check any numbers in between 2 and 41. 83 is a prime number, 1 and 83. See the factors of 84. 1, 84, 2, 42 is a 84 is divisible by 3, 3, 28 is a, it is divisible by 4, 4, 21 is a, it is divisible by 6, 6, 14 is a, also it is divisible by 7, 7, 12. Now for 85, 1, 85, it is divisible by 5, 5, 17, 1, 86, 2, 43. 43 is a prime number, so we don't check any factors between 2 and 43. 1, 87. 87 is divisible by 3, 3, 29 is a, 29 is a prime number, so there won't be any factors between 3 and 29. 1, 88, 2, 44, 4, 22 is a, 8, 11 is a. 1, 89 is a prime number, so there are only two factors, 1 and 89. For 91, 90, it is divisible by 2, 245 is a, 3, 30 is a, okay, 5, 18 is a, it is divisible by 6, 6, 15 is a, next, it is divisible by 9, 9, 10 is a. 1, 91, 91 is not a prime number, this 91 is divisible by 7, 7, 13 is a. 92, 1, 92, 2, 46, it is not divisible by 3, but it is divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 23 we got a prime number, so we'll stop. 1, 93, 3, 31. 31 is a prime number, so we'll stop it here. 1, 94, 2, 47 side. So 47 is a prime number, we'll stop searching. 1, 95, 5, 19. 1, 96, it is divisible by 2, so divide 96 by 2 and write 48 here. 48 3, 32. Next it is also divisible by 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, so 24. It is divisible by 2 and 3, so we will have 6 also a factor. 6 1s are 6, 6 16s are. Next it is divisible by 8, 8, 12s are. Okay, these are the factors of 96. 97 is a prime number, so its factors are 1 and 97 only. 1, 98, 2, 49 is a, this number is not divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 4? No, it is divisible by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. 1, 99, 3, 33 is a, okay, 9, 11 is a. 1, 100 is a, 2, 50, okay, 4, 25 is a, 5, 20 is a, and 10 10s are. We write to 10 only one time. How to find these factors easily? I have covered this topic in a previous video. Please do check it.